Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Uniswap wallet. So let's dive right in. First, open the Binance app on your mobile phone once you are in. Then, at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on Wallets to access your funds. Now locate USDT in your wallet. Once you find it, tap on it, and then hit the Withdraw button that is located at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Send via Crypto Network as your transfer method. This allows you to move your USDT to another wallet, like Uniswap. Now, we'll need the wallet address for your Uniswap wallet. Open the Uniswap wallet app. Once you are there, simply click on the little arrow that is at the top of the homepage, and then here you will see your Uniswap address. Simply copy your wallet address. This address is essential for ensuring your funds are sent to the correct destination. Head back to the Binance app, and then paste the copied Uniswap wallet address into the required field. Next, it's time to choose a network. For this transfer, we're using Ethereum ERC20 since it's supported by Uniswap. Make sure to double-check the network for compatibility. Enter the amount of USDT you'd like to transfer. Take a moment to review all the details, wallet address, network, and amount, before confirming. Once everything looks good, click on the Withdraw at the bottom right corner and proceed with the security verification steps. After completing the verification, the transfer process will begin. It may take a few minutes, depending on the network speed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Binance to your Uniswap wallet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.